Hey guys, I'm back. So in this video, I'm going to show you two bags that I made using Sam's Mixed Up Craft easy, so easy tutorial. So let me show you. These bags are pretty big, so let me just move this up. And hopefully it's a better view. All right, let me show you the first one I made, which was this one here. And this is a 12 by 12, so it's a nice size. So you definitely need 12 by 12 cardstock. I think this one came out super cute. I used one of my older paper pans that I had in my stash. That's the front. That's the back. I made this cute little tag. And then I added one of my little long wire bead to the bag. I think it came out so cute. Then it closes with Velcro, so it has two straps here. So you have a pocket. It's a nice size in the inside, a pocket in the front, and then again close it. And look how cute! It also has a handle. It's like it's big, so it's kind of hard to show the whole bag. I think it came out really cute. So this was my first one. What I like about this, that look, you bend this part in the back. You see, and it folds flat, so it's easy for storage. So whenever you need it, just unfold the bag. See? Okay, so we got that one. Put that there. Then actually, let me take it out. Then the second one I made was this one, and this one here. Okay, so her tutorial has a way to do these little buckle flaps. This one I just did a long strip, corner around the edges, and then just added this piece right here, so it like tucks in. And this piece right here, I had it from my stash, from one of my Addy dies. So that's what this one looks like. The back, I made this tag like that, and then this is the part right here that I added one of my little long bead wires. So cute. I have a video on how I made these, so if you want to check that out, I'll put that in the description bar. And once again, you have a pocket here, a pocket in the inside, and it also closes flat. So two really cute bags with different front. I'm trying to show them both right here. So you got the long and the one with two buckles. I will add her link to the easy tutorial in the description bar, so make sure you pass by. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.